Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring Windows is updated and Paint 3D available. This prevents compatibility hiccups. Once done, open the app from Start or right-click any image and choose Edit with Paint 3D so you land directly in the workspace. Make sure you've enabled touch or pen input if you're on a tablet, because precise control matters for brushes and 3D modeling. You'll also want basic assets, a reference image or blank canvas, and any textures. These speed up composition and avoid workflow pauses. Now you'll construct the scene. Insert 3D shapes or models and convert 2D doodles into simple 3D objects so they gain volume. Once placed, refine edges with brushes and add stickers or textures to convey material. This is why lighting and textures matter for realism. Use the selection cube to rotate, scale, or set exact dimensions. Group objects to move complex assemblies. Make incremental saves and duplicate to test variations without losing the original, because iteration speeds learning and polish. Finish by setting camera angle, canvas size, and scene lighting so the composition reads well in the final render. Once satisfied, export using the right format. Choose PNG/JPEG for images, 3MF or FBX for 3D printing, or GIF for simple animations, and pick quality settings to match your use. If export or rendering fails, try closing and reopening Paint 3D, update graphics drivers, or reset the app. These steps often clear corrupted cache or permission issues, so you can export smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.